Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome back to another episode of Hot Wheels Dad. And today I wanted to get out here and do a little product review of something that I recently purchased. A few weeks ago, I went out with some buddies on a little off-road excursion and did a little bit of off-roading, and it was a ton of fun. But I had never really gone on like a major off-roading excursion, and so I really wasn't prepared. I was totally fine with my truck, but a few of the trucks that went out there got stuck, and luckily one of my buddies had a D-ring and a recovery strap to get some of these guys out. So I decided I would go out and make a purchase, and I'm glad I did. It turned out really nice. It actually gives my truck a nice little look, and I'll show you here what it looks like. It's definitely a must-have if you're going to be going out on the trails. And another thing that I was recommended was to, if you're going to go out, don't ever really go alone. You can if it's pretty easy, but we did run into some deep sand when we went, and the trails seemed to be really nice. But if you got off the trail a little bit, you did get into some deep sand, and so I decided to go out and pick up this product, both from Smittybilt. So here's the recovery strap. I opted for the 2-inch. You can get a 3-inch, but the 2-inch you have up to 20,000 pounds of pull. And then I opted for the Smittybilt D-ring and tow hook package. And so what that consists of, it actually gets the 2.5-inch inlet for the tow hook, and then you get the D-ring here. I did purchase these separate, this little red package, because Hot Wheels Dad has the all white, black wheels, and then some red accents. So I did purchase these. They're for sound. It's kind of like a sound deadening thing, but I thought they looked really neat in red. So you do have to purchase. This was another thing that I had to purchase. It was $7. I didn't get the locking one. You can get a locking one for a little bit more, but I don't really drive around with it on my truck at all times, so I didn't really feel that I needed a locking one. You can just get a little lever here to go in and lock it in. But yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and install it on the truck so you can see it's super easy to install. So you just take a little hitch here. And it just goes inside of your standard tow hook there. Then your little bar goes inside there. So it goes in just like this. And it goes in there. Your little pin goes straight through there like that, and that's it. It's pretty simple, easy peasy. It's not going to go anywhere. You can hook your strap up here. This thing unscrews, and then your ring comes off. You put your strap on there, and then you put it back on. So easy peasy. And like I said, I thought it kind of set off the truck with the red accent there. So all right, so I'm going to show you how to actually install your recovery strap here. So recovery strap, you got a little strap right here that goes into the D-ring. Then you unravel, and there's one on the other side that hooks onto the vehicle that you're trying to pull out. But it's as easy as you have this guy here. tucking your recovery strap through there like that. And screw this back in. You don't want to go super tight. You can tighten it and then maybe spin it out a tiny bit, maybe half. So when you do get some leverage on here, it doesn't lock or seize that little bolt into here, and then that way it's easier to unscrew. Because once you pull the other vehicle out, it's gonna put some tension on it there, and could make this bolt tighter. So it doesn't have to be completely tight when you screw it in. That way it's easy to get off when you go to unhook it from your truck. But yeah, super easy to install. When you're pulling somebody out, you want to make sure that you're clear of the rope. You don't want anybody standing around in case something does snap or happen to come unhooked. You know, it doesn't come flying back at you. So definitely be careful when you are out on the trails. And yeah, that's it. Product is linked in the description below. Go ahead and pick it up and give me some feedback on what you guys think about it. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this quick little product review, the short little video on the Smittybilt hook package for the recovery strap. It does get a 4 out of 5 stars from me. I haven't personally had to use it yet, but I think it could definitely use a little bit of a look refresh, maybe like a painted D-ring. You can pick up a separate D-ring that is painted red, but I just kind of wish you could purchase it directly from Smittybilt that way in that whole little package. But like I said, product link is in the description below. Pick it up when you get a chance. It's definitely an essential when you're going to be out on the trails doing some off-roading. Please comment down below what you guys think of the way that it turned out, and also give me a subscribe if you can. I appreciate it. Currently, I'm just sitting over 200 subscribers, and I appreciate all the love. You guys come on and you guys subscribe to me on Instagram, and you guys have been giving me some feedback and comments, and I really appreciate it. I'm looking forward to growing this channel for 2020. I did set a goal to hit the 1,000 subscribers that it needs to monetize the account. So if you guys just please give me a subscribe and hit the notification bell, thumbs up, and I will see you guys in the next episode. All right, peace.